Hello and welcome back to the Coder's Legacy channel. In this video, we'll explore how to set up Selenium in an extremely hassle-free way. Basically, it won't require you to download any different web drivers. You won't have to keep track of their locations. You won't have to keep track of the file paths. You won't have to do any of that anymore. Because previously what you would have to do is, like, if you want to use Chrome, you need to go download the Chrome driver. You want to use Mozilla, go download the Mozilla Firefox driver. And then you need to update these as well. For example, your Chrome updates, you're going to need to download a new Chrome web driver. So that's kind of annoying, right? In this video, I'll show you a library that can manage all of this for you. So what you're going to do is install this library called the WebDriver Manager. Okay, I already have it installed, so it's just gonna give me a requirement already satisfied. So let's just clear that. So let's begin. How do we use this thing? So from WebDriver Manager, first of all, now this is depending on which one we want to use. There's Chrome, there's Firefox, Microsoft, and Opera. Okay, so we're gonna go with Chrome. Okay, the format is pretty similar. Okay, it's just you just need to swap out the word Chrome for Firefox and so on. It's really just the same thing. So import this Chrome driver manager. It's going to be Firefox driver manager or Opera driver manager. That's all that's really gonna change. So now we'll do from Selenium, okay, because you need to have Selenium as well. If you haven't done that, pip install Selenium, okay. So once we have that, then from WebDriver.chrome, again, because we're using Chrome, so we're going to do this. Otherwise, for Firefox, you do .firefox.service. Okay, import service, and we'll import it as Chrome service. I just like doing that. Okay, so then I'm just going to import the WebDriver as well. All right. So now we have our imports set up. Now I'm going to create a service. So Chrome service, executable path. Now normally this is where we would put the path to the WebDriver, but what we're going to do is Chrome driver manager and then just do that and then .install. So what this is going to do is use this from the WebDriver manager library, and it's automatically going to download and install it for us. Okay, and it's kind of smart. I believe it's not like it's going to re-download it every time. It's going to download it once, then store it somewhere on your PC. So don't worry. So now we're going to continue as we normally do in Selenium. That's pretty much it, actually. That's all we had to do. That's one line of code. So if you're familiar with Selenium then that's pretty much it for you. But let me just go ahead and set up a proper example all the way to the end, just so we can see how all of this works. Okay, just be sure to pass in the service in here into our driver. Then we'll do something like driver.get, and this is a popular website that I typically use in scraping or browser-based tutorials. Okay, it's a site that was made for scraping, so you won't get into trouble for scraping it. Just gonna put sleep command in there, and I'm going to import the time module. Then we'll run this code, and I'll show you that this is going to work, no hassle free. And by the way, for those of you with different browsers, I'm going to include a link to my website in the description below, and this is all written out. Like, if you have any trouble with the syntax, like you're for Firefox or Opera and you can't figure it out, then just take a look at that link, and all of it is listed over there for each browser that the WebDriver Manager supports. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.